you do from here?
Mount your camera on a tripod, use landscape mode. Record an empty background for few seconds, okay? Then after recording it now, you can then walk into the scene. Then you sit down at one end of the screen, okay? After that, you can now use your hand to do as if you shoot your head. See if you shot your head, look at it, look at what I'm going to do. And after that, you can still wait for another few seconds, all right? Wait for some few seconds. Then after that now, you can now walk out, okay? Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace, click on it, locate volume guys, click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. Mark out an empty background for the video, click on the video, make a split, go and look for overlay guys. Click on overlay now, click it and drag it to the beginning of the video, come back, click on the background now, go and look for freeze, locate freeze guys, click on freeze now, click it and drag it. Then you come back now, then let's locate where we want the video to start from. From here, click and make a split, delete this first part, click on this one and drag it to the beginning of the video, okay? So at this point, immediately you point your hand to your head, all right? This place, click on the video now. We are going to be making a split, okay? Make a split now. Then at this point, you adjust, then you make your screenshot. You crop your screenshot. Look at what I am doing. Crop it. After cropping it, you click on done, okay? After cropping, click on done now. Save to photos. Okay guys, I want to thank you guys for this. All right, thank you very much. I appreciate this and this one also. Okay, you guys are just too much. I love you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you. Welcome to the tutorial. At this point, you come back, then you click on the video now. As you click on it, you can locate mask, okay? Locate mask. Click on mask now, click on circle, then you come and crop this your head. Crop your head. After cropping it, making it look good, just come down and do your cropping. After cropping it now, you are going to be clicking on invert. So click on invert now, then you mark on that good, then you go back. After that, mark anywhere, click on overlay, click on photos. You import your this video that you screenshot, then you make it fit the screen and drag it. After dragging it, you come back, you still click it and go and still look for mask, okay? Click it, locate mask now, all right? Look for mask again, look for mask for the second time. Click on mask now, click on mask, still click on circle, still come and circle your head, all right? Circle your head. After circling it and making it look good, then you click on that good and go back. Yes, now click on it, go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG now, auto removal. Now it has removed completely. Mark on that good, then you go back. Now you click on keyframe, click on the video, click on keyframe, adjust the video a bit, then you push that head out. Look at what I just did. After that, now let us see what it look like. Let's play it to see what it look like. Good, this is good. So what we are going to be doing now is to mark out the unwanted parts of the video. Click here, make a split. Click here, make a split. Click on the third one and make a split. Then you delete them one after the other. We don't need them again, they are not useful again. After that now, then we are going to play the video from the beginning. But at this point, this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, as the case may be. After that, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video. My number is there. Just go and DM me, then I will put you through on how to add your necessary effects, and after that you can now export your video to your gallery. But there is another thing you need to understand here. Remember, you use auto remove BG, which is a pro features, and you are not a pro member. If you try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it. Okay, what you are going to do is, in one of my video there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. Go and watch the video, then you will learn and know how you will export your video. Then after that, you can now export your video, then share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.